What if you've been doing it all wrong? The life you want, the goals you're chasing, what if there are secrets to finally making them real? I'm not talking about quick tricks or gimmicks. No, these are 8 practical, time-tested secrets. Things that could help you achieve everything you've ever wanted. Intrigued? Let's dive in. Most of us have dreams. We want them more than anything. But here's the catch, just wishing isn't enough. And it doesn't happen by accident. The real game changer is knowing certain principles, applying them every day. In this video, we'll uncover 8 powerful secrets. These are things you can actually start doing. Habits and mindsets that shape a successful life. Think about the goals you've set. Maybe it's financial freedom, or better relationships, or a deep sense of purpose. But there's a huge gap between wanting and achieving. It can feel like climbing a steep mountain, and with every step, it feels steeper. So why do we get stuck? Often it's because we're missing key principles. These are the ones that make all the difference. They're the reason some achieve their dreams while others stay in the same place. Most people never learn these secrets. But today we'll explore each one, and you can start applying them right away. Secret 1, define what you really want. Defining what you truly want out of life may seem simple. But many people go through life with just a rough sketch. They say they want success, they say they want happiness, maybe fulfillment. But here's the catch, they never stop to ask themselves, what does that actually mean for me? Without a clear target, you'll miss every time. Imagine you're an archer, aiming at a target that's barely visible. That's how most people go through life. They have a vague sense of direction, but no clear picture. Now imagine how different it would be if that target were clear, brightly lit, impossible to miss. Suddenly every action has purpose, every step has meaning. And that's the first secret to get clear, so clear that your target shines even on the darkest days. How do you do this? Start by asking yourself some questions, real deep questions. What does success look like to me? Think about it. Not the version of success sold to you by society or portrayed by others around you. What would it mean to you? Is it freedom? Is it financial stability? Is it the freedom to spend time with your family without watching the clock? Or maybe it's waking up each day with a sense of purpose. Now go further. Visualize an ideal day in your life. Picture the details. Where are you? What are you doing? Who are you with? What kind of feelings do you want to experience each day? The clearer you are, the more power you'll have in pursuing it. Write it down. Yes, write it down. Because something magical happens when you put your vision into words. Defining what you want is the first step to achieving it. It sounds basic, but it's true. Without a clear definition, you'll chase every whim and get distracted by every passing trend. And here's the secret: with that clarity, you'll start making decisions that bring you closer step by step to your goals. You'll avoid distractions because you'll know exactly what doesn't serve your journey. So get specific and keep that vision alive, because a life without direction is a life without purpose. Secret 2, master the art of discipline. Discipline. It's one of the most powerful secrets to success, but it's also one of the least talked about. You see, most people wait for motivation. They wait to feel ready, to feel inspired, to get that spark of energy before they act. But here's the truth: motivation comes and goes. Discipline is what keeps you going when motivation fades. Think about it like this: discipline is a muscle. Just like you wouldn't expect to lift heavy weights without training, you can't expect to stay disciplined without practice. Start small. Just a daily habit, something simple you can do every day. Maybe it's setting aside 10 minutes to plan your day. Maybe it's committing to reading a few pages from a book each night. It doesn't have to be a big task. The key here isn't the size, it's the consistency. Discipline, like a muscle, gets stronger the more you use it. And here's the secret: it doesn't even need to be perfect, just consistent. Day after day, week after week. Because over time, these small actions start to build. They add up. And that's where the magic happens. When you're disciplined, you're telling yourself that you're committed, even when things aren't easy, even when you're tired, even when distractions come up. Discipline means you don't wait for the perfect moment, you create it. It means doing the hard work now so you can enjoy the rewards later. So if there's one thing to master, make it discipline. Because when you're disciplined, you're no longer a slave to your moods, to your fleeting emotions, or to circumstances. You become the master of your actions. And that, my friend, is where true power lies. Secret 3. Take responsibility for your choices. Responsibility. It's a word we often overlook, but it's one of the most empowering ideas in life. Taking responsibility means understanding fully that where you are in life today is a result of your choices. Not someone else's, not the world's fault, not luck, your choices. This is hard for most people to accept, because blaming others, blaming circumstances, it's easy, it feels safe, but safe doesn't get you anywhere. Blame only keeps you stuck. When you take responsibility, you're taking control. You're saying, I am where I am because of the choices I made now. If that feels uncomfortable, good. That discomfort is the first step toward real change. Look around you right now. Take a close look at your life. Ask yourself, how did my choices bring me here? It's a powerful question, because the moment you recognize your own role, you can also recognize your power to change it. When you take responsibility, you shift from being a passive observer to an active creator in your own life. So the next time you find yourself frustrated, stuck, or unhappy, resist the urge to blame. Instead, pause, look within. Ask yourself, what choices brought me here? And what new choices can take me somewhere better? That shift in mindset changes everything. It opens doors you didn't even know were there. Taking responsibility for your choices isn't about feeling guilty or ashamed. It's about recognizing your power. Because every choice, every decision you make shapes your life. When you own those choices, you're no longer a victim of circumstance. You're the author of your story. Secret 4. Embrace lifelong learning. Learning is a journey that never ends. It doesn't stop the day you leave school. In fact, real learning, life's kind of learning, begins the moment you step into the world on your own. To become successful, you need to embrace this idea, to make learning a lifelong commitment. Because the truth is, life never stops evolving. The world, your environment, the people around you, everything is always changing. And if you want to thrive, you need to change right along with it. This isn't about going back to the classroom or memorizing facts. It's about staying curious. It's about keeping an open mind, always asking questions, always wondering, what else can I learn? Take time each day to learn something new. It doesn't have to be much. Just a small moment set aside for growth. Read a chapter in a book, listen to a podcast, watch a video on a subject that interests you. Even 10 minutes can make a difference. Now choose wisely. Pick topics that excite you, subjects that align with your goals. This isn't about cramming information you'll forget. This is about adding tools to your life's toolkit. With each piece of knowledge, with every new insight, you're building a foundation. You're preparing yourself for what's to come. Because knowledge isn't just about facts, it's about skills, it's about perspective, it's about understanding how to move forward. Here's the beauty of it: lifelong learning isn't just about achieving success, it's about enriching your life. It's about finding meaning and purpose in the things you know. And the more you know, the better you'll be at navigating life's twists and turns. The better you'll be at overcoming challenges. So embrace it. Keep learning, because the moment you stop learning is the moment you stop growing. And growth, that's where life's true joy lies. Secret 5. Cultivate resilience. Life doesn't always go as planned. No one escapes challenges. No one goes through life without a few storms. That's just part of the deal. But here's the thing: resilience is what makes all the difference. It's not about avoiding problems. It's about learning how to handle them, how to keep going when things get tough, how to bounce back time and time again. Resilience is like a muscle. It gets stronger every time you face a setback, every time you get knocked down and pick yourself up. It's not about never failing. In fact, failure is part of resilience. It's about being able to look at a challenge, maybe one that seems overwhelming, and say, all right, this isn't easy, but I can handle it. I can learn from this. Resilience is what allows you to keep moving forward, even when every part of you wants to give up. When you face a setback, here's a question to ask yourself: what can I learn from this? Don't see it as defeat. See it as a lesson, a chance to grow. Every struggle, every hardship is an opportunity to get stronger, to get wiser, to develop a sense of inner strength. That's resilience. And once you have it, no challenge can keep you down for long. Life will test you sometimes when you least expect it. But resilience means you're ready. You're prepared to face whatever comes your way, because you know the secret. It's not about avoiding the storm, it's about learning to dance in the rain. Remember, resilience isn't about being tough on the outside, it's about having a strong spirit on the inside. So cultivate it, embrace it, and watch how you rise again and again. Secret 6, surround yourself with the right people. Look around you. Who are the people in your life? Who do you spend the most time with? Because here's a truth few realize: we become like those we surround ourselves with. If you spend your time with negative, unmotivated people, that negativity will eventually seep into your life too. But if you surround yourself with driven, positive people, people who lift you up, that energy, that motivation, that becomes yours too. It's not always easy to look at your circle and make changes. We all have relationships, some deep, some old, that might not be the best for us. But here's the key: you deserve to be around people who bring out the best in you. People who believe in you, who see your potential even when you don't. People who lift you higher, not pull you down. Take a good look at your circle. Are they lifting you up or holding you back? Sometimes you need to create a little distance. It's not about cutting people off, it's about setting boundaries that allow you to grow. And then seek out people who inspire you, people who challenge you to be better. Find those who have the qualities you admire. Spend time with people who encourage your dreams, not those who belittle them. Because the truth is, these people will shape who you become. They'll influence your thoughts, your habits, your beliefs. The people you surround yourself with are like mirrors. They reflect back to you what you bring into the world. So choose wisely, because with the right people around you, you'll find yourself growing faster, reaching higher, and staying motivated. Seek out those who make you better, who encourage your growth, and who celebrate your successes as if they were their own. That's the kind of support that makes the journey worthwhile. And that, my friend, is the power of surrounding yourself with the right people. Secret 7. Focus on growth, not perfection. Perfection. It's a word we often hold up like a trophy, thinking it's the mark of true success. But here's the reality: perfection is elusive. It's a moving target, a standard that shifts just as we think we've reached it. And sometimes striving for it can hold us back more than it drives us forward. Think about it. How many times have you waited, postponed, or delayed because you wanted everything to be just right? It's a common trap. You're waiting for the perfect idea, the perfect timing, the perfect conditions, and in that waiting, time slips by and nothing gets done. So what if you shifted your focus? Instead of aiming for perfection, aim for growth. Take one small step every day. Make each day a lesson, each experience a stepping stone. Growth doesn't demand that you do everything right, it only asks that you keep moving forward. Progress, not perfection, that's the key. Because every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to where you want to be. Here's the thing: mistakes aren't the enemy. In fact, they're some of the best teachers you'll ever have. Every time you make a mistake, you're learning. You're discovering what doesn't work, what you need to adjust, where you can improve. It's in these moments of error that growth truly happens. So don't fear mistakes. Embrace them. Understand that they're a natural part of the process. They're like guideposts directing you toward a better path, a more refined approach. And celebrate each small victory along the way. When you focus on growth, every step forward is a win. Did you learn something new today? That's progress. Did you move closer to a goal, even by an inch? That's growth. By celebrating these small victories, you build momentum, you keep yourself motivated. And soon those small steps, those incremental gains, they add up to something remarkable. So let go of the need to be perfect. Perfection can keep you standing still, waiting. Growth, on the other hand, invites you to start where you are with what you have and to keep moving forward, no matter how imperfectly. Remember, it's not about getting it right the first time, it's about getting better every time. Secret 8. Practice gratitude every day. Gratitude, it's a simple word, a simple concept, yet it has the power to change your life. In the rush of daily demands, it's easy to get caught up in what we lack, what we still want, what's not going right. But when you take a moment to pause, to look around, and to appreciate what you already have, that's when a shift happens. Gratitude is like a lens that refocuses your mind, helping you see abundance rather than scarcity. Imagine starting each day with gratitude. Just 3 things you're thankful for. It doesn't have to be grand. Maybe it's your health, the roof over your head, a supportive friend, or even a warm cup of coffee. By focusing on these small blessings, you set a positive tone for your day. You start with a sense of fullness rather than lack. And that mindset, it attracts more good into your life. Gratitude is powerful because it grounds you. When you practice it daily, you're constantly reminded of the progress you're making, no matter how small it may seem. You're not looking for the big, dramatic changes, you're appreciating the steady, consistent steps forward. It's easy to overlook these small victories, but gratitude brings them into focus. And when you see how far you've come, you gain the strength to keep going. A great way to make gratitude a habit is to write it down. Maybe at the start of your day, or perhaps at the end, take a moment to jot down 3 things you're grateful for. Keep it simple. Over time, you'll notice a change in the way you see the world. Instead of constantly chasing what's missing, you'll begin to notice and appreciate what's already here. And that sense of abundance, of fullness, it has a way of attracting even more good into your life. Here's the thing, life can be unpredictable. Challenges will come, setbacks will happen. But gratitude is your anchor. It's what keeps you steady, even when things aren't going as planned. It reminds you that no matter what, there are still good things, still reasons to be thankful. And that's a powerful mindset. So practice gratitude, make it a part of your day every day, because when you focus on what you have, you create room for even more to come, ... So these are the 8 secrets to achieving everything you want in life. They aren't complex, but they do require commitment and consistency. Defining what you want, building discipline, taking responsibility, staying curious, being resilient, surrounding yourself with the right people, focusing on growth, and practicing gratitude. These are the pillars that hold up a successful and fulfilling life.
If you found value in these principles, consider subscribing or check out our next video.